Hey guys, Sean here at K2 Trades. Today I'm going to be going over the simple K2 exit strategy, and this is the exit strategy that I recommend everyone use, especially if you're following my K2 signals. So this is how it works. Pretty much you have the trade setup right here, and all you need to do is once price reaches profit target 1, like it does right over here, once this happens, you're going to move your stop loss to profit target 1 right here. And the reason you're doing that is so that you can lock in this profit right here. So if profit comes back down, you'll at least lock in this profit and you guarantee, at least some profit. You eliminate all your risks. So once you do this and you move your stop loss to profit target 1, this area right here, once that happens, you have no risk. And once you have no risk, you have no stress, because in this situation, you either lock in profit target 1 or you hit profit target 2. And let's see what happens next. Full profit. So you guys, if you guys do this for every single trade, you guys can manage your risk properly and you guys can succeed at trading long term. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks guys.
K2, yeah, we headed for the top now. K2, yeah, we call it when it drop down.